Today, we're diving into Webnode, a popular website builder that promises to help you create your own website with ease. As soon as you land on Webnode's homepage, you're greeted with a clean, modern design. The first thing I noticed is how simple it is to get started, even for beginners. You can sign up quickly using your email, and the setup process walks you through everything you need. Once you've signed up, you're ready to start building your site. Webnode offers a wide selection of pre-designed templates that you can choose from based on your site's purpose, whether it's for a business, portfolio, or blog. The templates are visually appealing and cover a wide range of styles, so you're bound to find something that suits your needs. One of the standout features of Webnode is its drag-and-drop editor. If you've ever used a website builder before, you'll be familiar with this type of interface, but Webnode makes it especially easy. You can add text, images, buttons, and other elements to your pages simply by dragging them into place. There's no need for any coding knowledge, which makes it accessible for anyone. Another nice touch is Webnode's ability to create multilingual websites. If you're targeting an international audience, this feature can be really helpful. You can easily add different languages to your website, and Webnode will automatically translate your content. The multilingual feature is intuitive, and you don't need to worry about separate domains for each language version. The platform also includes options for e-commerce websites. You can sell products directly through your site with Webnode's built-in e-commerce tools. These tools allow you to create a professional online store, manage products, track orders, and more. If you're planning to run an online business, Webnode offers a solid e-commerce platform to work with. However, there are some limitations to consider. For example, while the templates are nice, they can feel a bit restrictive if you want a truly unique design. You're limited in terms of customization, and advanced design options are somewhat lacking compared to other website builders. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check them out after watching. Overall, Webnode is a solid choice for those looking for a user-friendly, no-fuss website builder. It's easy to use, affordable, and offers a range of features for personal and business websites alike. While it might not offer the most advanced customization options, it's perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants to get a simple website up and running quickly. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews on website builders and other tools. Thanks for watching.